Hey guys, let me tell you something, man. If you didn't wake up this morning knowing the greatness you possess within yourself, go back to sleep. You got to know who you are. You got to know what you are. You got to know what you bring to the table. You got to know that sometimes you are the house. And you got to realize that life ain't a competition, man, when you are the competition. When you are the one that apply that pressure. When you wake up and when you walk in the room, do you apply that pressure? See, everywhere I go, anytime I go anywhere in my life, I know I'm that pressure. I walk in the room, I am pressure. I go anywhere, I am pressure. I'm that guy in real life. I don't gotta pretend, I don't gotta be, I don't gotta act. I'm that guy. And I like the fact that when I go anywhere, my presence is felt, it's loved, and sometimes it can be intimidated. But guess what? That's what happens when you're around greatness. I'm pressure.